Welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. Today I'm going to be installing my new battery charger. Now this one should be a little bit better when it comes to charging my batteries because it also has smart networking, so it can connect to my shunt and grab the temperature of the batteries and then, up the voltage a little bit so that it can receive the proper voltage. So we're going to put this in my van today, and that's my main goal. I got everything prepared. Now I don't have a different color copper wire that's actually oxygen free, so we're going to use oxygen free cable. I just marked it off with some black tape so that I know it's negative. So we're going to take out the old charger, which I've got loose and ready to go right here. Now why is it loose? Well, I changed the location of my DC to DC charger. The reason why is I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be mounted like this so that the heat can rise and away. Now I've got the temperature sensor for that fan connected to this DC to DC charger. And then I've also got another one right there connected to this fan, which I'm going to connect not to that battery charger, but that battery charger with this little sensor cable. We'll tape this to the side of the charger, and when it gets warm enough, it kicks this fan on. When I'm driving and this warms up, then that fan kicks on. I've also got another sensor here, which I've got a switch. So once I turn that on, what happens is if it drops below 0 degrees, I've got a fan here that turns on. Now, it doesn't have a grill on it yet, and the main reason why it's got a switch is because I don't need it in the summer or when the van is parked and it's cold in here. The batteries can get cold, and then when I'm to get back into the van, I'll turn that fan on, which draws warmth into the battery compartment to keep it nice and warm. So that's the goal, and that's the idea, is warm up the batteries and get prepared for another -20 weather. So that solves one problem, is keeping those batteries warm. The other problem I have is the water. So I haven't figured out the water yet, but for now we're gonna get what I can do with my electronics. Swap out the good charger, remove the dead one. I shouldn't say dead because I'm not sure if it's dead yet. Well, we're going to pull it out and we're going to do some tests to see whether or not it's still good or not, because I'm going to hook that up to some Anderson plugs here. And I got a fuse block. I'm trying to get 30 amps into my lithium battery. And if it overheats after an hour or something like that, then I'll know that battery is dead. That battery charger is dead. And then I'll contact Victron and get I'll get it warranted and get a new one. But I'm pretty sure I might have overheated and cooked it by accident. But for now, let's, once the heater's done, I'm gonna unplug everything. I've got the fuse pulled out. So once everything is dead, I'll turn off the batteries here, and then I'll put the new fuse in. Well, I'll take the cables out, put the new cables in, put a new fuse in, mount the charger, and then we're good to go. But yeah, it's just a little quick project that I've got going on. And then once all these are connected, Bluetooth, they will have all of the information from the shunt, including the temperature, which theoretically should make everything run better. Okay, heater's off. Got my flashlight ready. Let's turn the batteries off. So dark. Okay, let's get started, guys. Everything's dead. We got no power. Just to confirm, we can always pull that out, but the light's off. The LEDs are off. I'm good to go. All right, let's get these wires pulled out, get everything set up. Alright, got the fuse in, got the wires connected, negative to negative, positive to positive. Put the cover back on, fire it up. Good to go. Okay, it doesn't show up unless it's plugged in, I guess. So let's go ahead and plug it in. She's plugged in. There she is. Okay, we're gonna connect to it. All right, I finally got connected. I'm just doing an update real quick. Once I get that all set up, and then yeah, seems like everything's working. I'm gonna set up the smart network and get it all configured. And yeah, we're done this project. Well, I got a mess to clean up, stuff to put away. Once I get it all put away, I'll get my van put together, and yeah, we're gonna move on to the next project. Well, that was kind of frustrating. I actually had to factory reset my charger. I guess it might have been changed at some point. I have no idea. Maybe this is a used unit. I have no idea. But I have a sale receipt and a warranty for 5 years, so everything should be good to go. I'm gonna get this set up, put away. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching this little quick update, but I appreciate you guys watching the last video. I think we're at 11,000 views already. I can't believe it, 11,000 views. I couldn't even imagine having that many viewers on one video in like 6 days. Absolutely insane. Every time I turn around, I'm looking at my view count and I'm like, what? People actually like this stuff. People enjoy me suffering and being cold. But yeah, I'm gonna take off. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.